Hello everyone. So we had three sessions. The first session was on introduction to Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program. The second session was basically about principals logging into the schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in portal, registering the school, uploading of student data, downloading of the student ID card, and also linking assessors to the school. So we also learned about how can an assessor register themselves on the Khelo India school version app. In third session, we learned about how can the assessors do the fitness assessment in their school. We also learned about Khelo India battery of tests for 5 to 8 years and also for 9 to 18 years and how to do those assessment in the school. So once the assessment is complete, so now today we are going to learn about Khelo India Fitness Report Card, Talent Identification Roadmap, and essentially how can a school principal log into the portal and see the fitness report card. So let's see. In this session, we'll learn about how to generate the report card for schools. We'll also learn about a little bit about the parent app. We'll learn about the importance of report card, understanding of the report card, and the benchmarking of the fitness test. Quick recap. 5 to 8 years, there are 3 tests, BMI, static balance, and coordination. And that is for class 1, 2, and 3. 9 to 18 years, that's class 4 to 12. Battery of 6 tests, BMI, speed, endurance, flexibility, core strength, and muscular endurance. So see, now that the assessment has been done by all the PE teachers, now the system is done in a manner where the data will automatically flow from the mobile phone of the PE teachers into the principal's portal. Let's see how it looks like and how does the principal log into the portal and how does he generate the report card.
To view report of student fitness assessment, click on login button, enter user ID and password, enter CAPTCHA, click on sign in button, click on reports, click on term report, select school, select term, click on view button, click on this view button, select the class. To view the report, click on this view button, select the student of which you want to view the report, click on this view button. This is the fitness assessment report of the student. You can even download the report. Click on this download report button. This way individual report card can be downloaded. Now again click on reports. Click on age-wise performance. Select the school. Select term. Select age. Click on this view button. This is how you can see age-wise performance report. Again click on reports, click on school-wise performance, select the school, select term, click on view button. This is school-wise performance report. Now again click on reports. Click on top performers, select school, select term, click on view button. Here you can see top performers. So this was the report section. Thank you.
Yeah. So here you could see that there are various reports which are there. 4 kinds of report we saw. We saw age-wise report. We saw the class-wise report. We also saw the school dashboard, And we also the fourth thing that we saw was the top performers. So there are various kinds of reports which are there, and the principal can actually log in and he can actually download this term-wise report card, and which can be distributed to students, and also see the performance of the school.
To view report of student.
Now, so here, just to make it a little bit simple for you, the term report card is what is important, where you can actually, what you do is you go to report, then pick the term report card, select the school. So it is your school. I mean, it's possible that a principal can be for two different schools, primary and secondary could be two different schools. That's why the school choice is there. Then the term report, class. Then after that, you can actually see that all the parameters of tests which have been taken plus the tests which have not been taken, everything is there in a very transparent fashion. All this data actually comes automatically from the mobile phone of the PE teachers into the portal. And they can then download the report card for the entire class. So there's a button called download report, or you can actually click on every child's report and view the report. So when you are, so here you can actually see there are two kinds of report. One report is basically about where a child is actually improving or not improving. So there's a plus if the child has improved. There's a minus if the child has performance has dipped over the previous term. So here you can see that so the text parameters there, the previous and the current score is there, and there's a feedback in terms of how to improve. Similarly, body mass index, you can see, and you can also reduce it says that if you have to reduce the weight, how do you reduce it? There are dietary recommendations which have been given and activities to be pursued. Both are given. Class 1, 2, and 3, there's a kind of report card which is basically about, so here, this is an example where three parameters are there, plate tapping, flamingo balance, and flamingo balance, plate tapping, and BMI. The benchmark is also there. It's a 6-year-old boy. The benchmark is also there. And in case of any improvement to be done, it is also said that how can he improve his coordination by practicing quick action and rapid movement using drum tapping, wall tapping with different colors, lights or sounds, paper airplane throw, handkerchief throw, frisbee, and ruler drop. These are some of the things which have been given. For class 4 to 12, I'm showing you some sample examples. There are 6 parameters. The first parameter is sit and reach, 600 meter runner walk, 50-meter dash, partial curl 30 seconds, and push-ups, and then BMI. So these are the different parameters which are there. The feedback which is given is for the improvement. There are 7 levels of fitness that you can see, level 1 to level 7. Level 1 is if it is less than 20 percentile. Level 2 is if it is less than 40 percentile. Level 3 is less than 60. Level 4 is less than 70. And level 5 is more than 70, more than 80, and more than 90 for 5, 6, 7. So the descriptors which are given is work harder, must improve, can do better, good, very good, athletic, and sports fit. And you can, at the bottom, there are recommendations which have been given, dietary and active lifestyle recommendations have been given. This is another example of a normal weight report card. You can see that here, this child has a normal weight. So both this time and last time the result was good. But there are 2 parameters where the child needs to improve. One is sit and reach test, and then there is partial curl up. These are 2 things where he has to improve. So all the recommendations have been given. This is an example of an underweight child. Here you can see that the child's sit and reach, 50-meter dash, and partial curl up, it is not up to the desired level. So hence the feedback for these 3 has been given. This is 11-year-old girl. For overweight and obese also, so you can see that so the report card is very customized. It's for every single child, whether it is normal, overweight, obese, or underweight, or any kind of fitness, any of the fitness parameter. If it is below optimal level, then the recommendations have been given. The recommendation for each fitness component part, the top part is here. I've just picked up a report card where the child is not doing well. It's at level 2. You can see that for various parameters, different activities have been recommended in terms of how they can improve, whether it is improving flexibility, whether it is in cardiovascular endurance, speed, or core strength, the different recommendations have been given. At the lower part of the report card are the benchmark, level 1 to level 7. The various benchmarks are there. And so this is the Khelo India benchmarks which are there. And at the bottom, you can see the BMI, previous versus current for a 12-year this thing. Then the dietary recommendations and the active lifestyle recommendation. At the bottom of the report card, there's a line which says instruction to parents. Download the Khelo India mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and create your account and add Agastha Joshi's profile. It says that add a particular number which is given as a Khelo India registration number to his profile to view his detailed report card. So it says, so instruction to the parent is that they need to download the Khelo India mobile app. They need to add the Khelo India ID of the child to the report card, to the app, and then they will be able to view. With that, so what we have done is we have seen from session 1 to session 4, we have seen that how should the school register, how should the principal should register, how should the assessor register, how do you link the assessor to the school. We learned about how to upload the student data, we learned about how to generate the ID card, we learned about how to do the Khelo India battery of tests, how do what are those battery of tests. We also learned how to generate the report card, download it, and give it to parents. So we have seen all of that. In the next session, we are going to learn about the parent app, where the parents can actually download the app and do the fitness assessment. With that, thank you so much. We will go to the next session, right?